What is called a bubbly carbonated drink?
Yes, everyone, and for today's video, we will do an accent tag. Today's accent is the Trinidadian accent, or the Trinidad and Tobago accent. Oh yeah, I like that. The Trinidad and Tobago accent. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyways, let's go.
I'm going to read the questions and all like that.
I'm going to read the questions I got.
What is your name and username? My name is Esther Derry.
Where's your name and username? Where's your name and no? What is your name and username? My name is Asterix.
My username is Esther Derry. But
Astuderi. Oh my god.
where you from? I'm
Where you from?
from Trinidad and Tobago.
I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago.
Pronounce the following words.
Pronounce the following words.
Ant,
Ant,
roof,
roof,
theater,
theater,
iron,
iron,
salmon,
salmon,
fire,
fire,
water,
water,
pecan,
pecan,
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise. Hey child, give me the mayonnaise.
What is called a bubbly carbonated drink?
What is called a bubbly carbonated drink?
Soft drink.
Soft drink.
What is called gym shoes?
When you just call gym shoes. I really love the Trinidadian accent. I hope you're understanding me right now, because when you speak like the Trinidadians, there's a lot of music in your voice. Nah, I think that was awful. That was awful. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I know that I butchered the Trinidadian accent. However, it was quite fun to do. I really enjoyed it. If there are Trinidadians in the comments down below, or if you'd like for me to imitate your accent or butcher your accent, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and that's you next time. Ciao, ciao.